The next day, Dr. Logan, Samuel, and Kelson arrived and reported to William and Sansa. They had no work until the recruitment of the 8 adolescents, but they wanted to familiarize themselves with the workplace. William and Sansa asked them to go through the other 4,000 forms of young applicants that were sent after the deadline. They wanted to ensure they didn't miss any worthy candidates. After exploring the office, the 3 went to their cabins and sat in front of the laptops provided by Sansa. Little did they know they would find 2 worthy candidates among the 4,000 late applications that Sansa and William had not reviewed. Gallav Gopal was an orphan who didn't know who his parents were. He was left in front of the orphanage door when he was just a 2-month-old baby. Surprisingly, Gallav had a dark-lined streak birthmark that ran from his lower jaw to his neck. His tiny body was wrapped inside a basket with a pinned note attached that read, "Please keep his last name as Gopal." It had been nearly 14 years since Gallav had been living in the orphanage. Like many of his orphan friends at ashram, he dreamed of meeting his parents someday, if they were alive. The orphanage, called Light, was not well funded as it was supported by a single, non-governmental organization. The food was stale and limited in quantity. There were 18 orphans, including Gallav, who were sent to a nearby government school. The only positive aspect of the orphanage was its aged warden, Malappa. Malappa, 73 years old, appeared much older. He had lost his wife 15 years ago and had no children of his own. Malappa's wife had passed away from TB after a prolonged illness. Malappa, a government employee at the time, took voluntary retirement and applied for the warden job offered by the NGO Light to be with the children until his death. Just 2 months after joining, he found the baby wrapped in the basket and named him Gallav Gopal as per the note's request. Under Malappa's wardenship, 3 others worked at the orphanage. There was a 50-year-old woman who cooked food and was quite arrogant, a 42-year-old illiterate man who handled cleaning and other tasks, and a 26-year-old young man named Karthik who was a dreamer and wanted to improve the orphanage. Karthik, an orphan himself, had lived in another orphanage until he turned 20 and understood the challenges of orphanage life. He struggled for 2 years while pursuing his graduation and lived on the streets, eating free food from the temples. Finally, he managed to graduate in science. He applied for the assistant warden post after seeing a job advertisement asking for assistant warden with computer and technology skills at Light. Malappa recommended Karthik and made sure he was selected. It has been 2 years since Karthik has been working with Malappa to improve the orphanage's conditions.